Hey, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you my project to submission for the CS50 Web Programming with Python and JavaScript course. Hope you enjoy! Alright, welcome back. First of all, I'll choose the username here. I'll be Jeff, for instance. And now we can go ahead and create a new channel by clicking that button. But first, I'm gonna show you what happens if we use a channel name that has been taken. This message over here shows up. But now I'm gonna use maybe the awesome channel, which isn't taken. So we can see we've joined the channel. So let's sign in over here and go over to explore. Alright, here we have a list of active users and all active channels. So let's go down here and choose the awesome channel. Now we can see we've joined on both screens. That is this notification that's been also received by Jeff, and our username shows up also on his screen. So let's just start chatting. I'll say hello and I can reply from here. Also, we can mention other users. For instance, I can mention Jeff from here. And Jeff receives it in a light blue tone. That means he is the one which has been mentioned. And on the other hand, if it is more like golden, that means it is more like a general mention. Another thing is that we can send file attachments. I'll choose this PDF file and we can send it. So if I click over here, we can see the requirements for this project in a PDF format. Alright, so now let's go back here. I'll leave. Also, we can see we've left the channel, and the timestamps for the messages are more like hidden. If you hover over the name of the sender, you can see the timestamp. But now let's see what happens if we have more than 100 messages in a channel. That's merely the purpose of the 100 messages channel. So let's just make this big. And well, this was another try I had before. So we have basically 100 channels, which go from 101 to 2 here. But now let's see what happens if we say 102. Alright, so apparently nothing happened, just I sent it and it appeared. And if we go up here, it still shows the second one. But now imagine if we were to reload the page. By the way, the notification also goes away because it's not considered a message, so it's not stored. But now if we go up here, the second message has completely disappeared. So now we have only the 3, that is, only the last 100 messages are saved in our server. So just to not overload it. And alright, so in last place, let's see another feature I added. That is that we have profiles here. So we can click in my profile and we have our information when we joined and our status. Down here we can change our status. For instance, I'll change it to inactive, and if I go over here and save changes and now go back, I can see it says inactive also here, and we can see other people's profiles as well. So let's just click on Tom's and see his information, which he can also edit from his personal page. Alright, so that's it for now. Hope you enjoy and see you soon.